So what I really want to look for is one of those machine gun ones. That way it rapidly fires, and whenever he goes and tries to lock himself into his room and gets in his bed, I can take it with a little belt feeder and just go.
Should do it as soon as he gets back from church.
Yes.
As soon as he walks in the door.
If we get here, if we get home before he does, we have to hurry. We're on a mission. And that's Kyrie's mom, by the way. Say hello. So are you ready to look like a child, baby, when you're buying these Nerf guns? I'm just gonna look like I'm buying it for my daughter.
Wow.
Babe, do you need some Epsom salt? Epsom. You see this? The Buzz Lightyear headgear?
I know, I saw that.
That's so cool. Ew. Huh. Yes. Look at it. It's zombified. It does have a belt feeder. That is an option. Where? Oh, the Fortnite. Gross.
That one.
They have a little
Rotating drum.
one. So many options. 40 barrel super drum. Auto advanced blaster. Rotating barrel. It's pump action. Command fire dart hopper. Load 40 darts in seconds. So I think we finally found one. Let's try it out. Nerf or nothing, bitch. Victory!
Oh, I thought you were shooting me again. I'm like, no! Great.
Can't even
Great,
see
you're
you.
videoing it now. This is exactly what we need.
It's Nerf or nothing.
It's gonna save you. Never down, love, not when we shine so bright.